I said right foot creep, boom, walking with that heat. Look around, stay low, make sure they don't see. Get some bad, walk down, face with that heat. The devil under your feet. Stress me when I can't sleep, bang on when I see you. Play with me, you can't sleep. We got into the sea.
Yo, what's good with y'all niggas, bro? You know it's your boy, Big Hitter, Big Shitter. It's your boy Chris. What's good with y'all niggas, bro? Hope everybody having a good day, good night, type shit. Bro, the GOAT just fucking dropped, nigga. This ain't a fucking drill. This ain't one of them, them throwaway songs that he dropped. This a fucking 30-song album. 30! What the fuck? I ain't gonna lie. I'm not gonna react to a whole album. I'm gonna react to like 2 songs max. 2 songs. I got y'all with 2 songs. The whole album, bro, that'll literally take all my storage in my fucking phone, nigga. I already had to delete fucking all my apps just to get these out. Cause I got a fucking iPhone 7. But anyway, my fault if y'all hear me sniffling and shit. I think I got monkeypox. I'm gonna be honest, bro. Don't be like, oh, we know you got monkeypox, you fucking type shit. That's not the case, alright? But yeah, bro. I don't know what song I'm gonna listen to first. There's a bunch. I heard it's a good ass album. I heard it's a good ass album. I've heard that it's a good ass album. Alright, bro. 2 songs, nigga. 2 songs. That's it. 2 songs. That's it. Alright. I'm gonna determine how good this album is. Oh, 2 songs. Because I'm like that. I could do that. Because I'm like that. You feel me? Let's see. Let's peep this. It's over. It's over, bro. It's over. Hey, it's over. It's over. It's over. It's over. This shit is so fucking good, nigga. Holy shit. Oh my god. Alright, let's keep going. Album of the year. Album of the year. Album of the year. It's over. No debate. No debate, nigga. No fucking debate, nigga. There's no fucking debate. This is album of the fucking year, nigga. This is album of the fucking year, bitch. No fucking debate, nigga. No debate. Album of the year. I'm 2 seconds in, nigga. Album of the year.
I do devil dance on my soul. Fire burning in my lungs, can't get the words off my tongue. You're mine, I can trust you, and I know that I know. Who was them to compete with me? They turn right up like us, I know. It was only my niggas that put me on. Dang, it was one thing that I know. You stole, might as well say you're mine. Just one look, I see the whole world in your eyes. Combination of my heart, no one could get inside. All the wrong ones want me, it's so bad.
This that fucking shit right here, nigga. This that fucking shit, nigga. Holy.
I can see the bloom in your eyes. Don't try to hide if you cry. I see your tears falling on the floor.
This that fucking shit, nigga. Holy.
If you leave, please call me. Please don't leave me all alone. Don't desert me, take the money. You'll be fine without me, then without you I just can't hold on. Why my feelings drift with the wind? I have no friend, you the only know I live. Say throwing bombs and I don't have no shit. It seems like you ain't come around all year.
Don't ever say Dirk ever better than this nigga ever again, nigga. Don't say Dirk better than him ever in your fucking life. Alright? Don't say it, nigga.
Modification engines on the pick, no winning, I'm turned for the year. Changing my denim linen got me feeling like I'm the richest on the hill. Yeah, I'm the boy to pull up, get it started. Got your friend out of my ear. Yeah, have a ticket, rich and mill. Belly jumping off the lip. You telling me to leave because it's hard. Guess I should sit while the devil dance on my soul. Fire burning in my lungs, can't get the words off my tongue. Yeah, man, I can trust you and I know that I know. Who is them to compete with me? They ain't tryna run up like us, I know. It was all of my niggas that put me on. They ain't give us one thing and that I know.
That was that fucking shit, nigga. Holy. Just off this song alone, I know this is the album of the year. I know this is the album of the year. Just off that song. Alright, we're gonna listen to one more song. We're probably gonna listen to a sad song like that. That was like a chill song. Then we're gonna listen to a hype song. Alright, so I'm gonna see what song is hype. Now I'm gonna react to it. Alright, give me a second. Hold on, nigga. Alright, next we got Freedom Fives. Who the fuck is them fives? Who the fuck is the fives? Who the fuck are them niggas? No, they sound like dangerous ass niggas. I wouldn't want to fuck with them. On Mills, I would not indeed want to fuck with them. Classic Youngboy beat. Okay, hold on. Give it a second.
Jumping out the bottom of the pile. My God, bitch, free Von B. Free my daddy, free fat bitch. We strapped up and we run deep in this baby. So we can eat. Who is that? At the front door, put a chopper at the people. They looking for Slimeto.
Woo!
Keep a man like that. Too thin and hold the cases. I don't really control the bases. I don't send out y'all to pay my cousin. He get picked up. Straight from out the knowledge. Change the train. Fucking pound, nigga. I play with the choppers, nigga. They don't keep the passing. Yeah, it's my mama, nigga. I'm a fucking daughter, nigga.
I'm dancing, nigga. I don't care. I'm dancing.
They come out the window. Why the fish tryna lock a nigga? Pick up the boys and moving, don't lose. I got that shit for the block, the fuse. Told her little mama she fuck with my music. She said that she know me from off of a news clip. Went through a million, I put it the cruise. I got it, ain't stopping, I'm changing my body. I'm on and I'm popping up, down to I drive. From off for my brother be beat out the bottom. Southside, northside, ain't got guys. This B-way, they all Shellwood. I don't need no counsel, cause my mail good. Bitch, I got a coin that you damn pull.
Okay, I'm sorry. I don't gangbang. I'm sorry. I don't know why I just did that. Yo, GDs, BDs, the Trays, the EBK, don't come after me. I don't gangbang. I'm sorry. It just gets into me. You feel me? I'm sorry. Okay, I am indeed sorry for that. This is a good fucking song though. Holy shit.
Dropping out the bottom of the pile. Fucking boy, dope like that. He straight pure on the streets. He been in jail, back to back. Life a hard knock. Soon as he get locked up, they ship his ass cause he gon' burn out. Different cars, I throw out faces. I'm a shit, jumbo, baby. I want the money, she fuck with me daily. Can't stay in no place, she be breaking her babies. Modifications. I got the whips on trip, I don't drive on no daily. Me and garage, it's not for son. I'm fucking with God, you know it's hate. I'm holding my own. They calling my phone, I'm hitting the climb. On the top of their neck, I'm pushing, they cannot recline. He want them a body spine. Fuck with me.
Blood spine.
Punish them. Do it down who is gon' be is you and I got a trunk for him, but I'm out of PC Von B. Free my daddy and free fat bitch. We strapped up and we ride deep in this back that steady so we can eat. Who is that? At the front door, put a chopper at the people. They looking for Slimeto. Okay.
Album of the year, bro. No debate. Hey, don't say Dirk is better than this nigga ever again. What the fuck? What the fuck? I listen to the 2 songs I know. It's fucking album of the year. Holy shit. Holy fucking shit, nigga. Holy fucking shit. Oh my god. This nigga's the GOAT. Certified the GOAT. It's over. No debate. There's no more debate. There's no more debate. He's the GOAT. He's the greatest. Nigga selling 500K first week. Alright, bro. Hope y'all niggas enjoyed the video. Love y'all niggas, bro. Thank y'all niggas for 100 subs again. See y'all next video.